the Portobello is not a wild mushroom. It is a cultivated mushroom. And believe it or not, it is the big brother of the button mushroom. So when you go to the grocery store and you see this type of a mushroom, it started out life as a button mushroom, then it became a cremini, and then it became a portobello. So this is what they look like. And when you get them home, they have a little dirt on them. So you want to just kind of brush that off, either with a mushroom brush or just use a damp paper towel. Make sure that the mushroom cap is not split anywhere. Look underneath to make sure that where the gills are, it's attached right to that stem. If you see open areas here, old mushrooms, you don't want that. So then you just want to take that off and throw it away.